What's up, guys? We are here at 4954 Forest Hill Drive. It is a fairly quiet street on the front. As you can see behind me, we're up on a little bit of a hill here. The home is a little bit outdated, but let's take a look at it. Here we go. So here we go. We got the, looks like the lawn's been ripped up and tan bark has been put in. It's a 4-bedroom home and it really hasn't been updated. You do have some new windows here. That's nice. You can tell you got this old 60 styles glass here. Walk in. It's a nice entryway. And then you have a formal living room in the front. A little step down, watch your step. And over here you have the dining room. Looks like a nice, enjoyable place. So we'll go through here with a foyer. Little coat closet there. And then you walk out into the kitchen, which is nice and open. Opens up to the fireplace. Not too bad. And then that overlooks the backyard. Dishwasher. Let's head out into the backyard. Good sized backyard. Up on a hill, you got a little bit of storage space over there. You can hear the cars go by because that is Foothill Road right there. So do expect a little bit of noise with the traffic. That overlooks the master bedroom. We'll come back through there. But let's go back. Got the laundry room in here. Very nice. Down the hallway, lots of natural light. Bedroom number 1. Got the shared bathroom with double sinks, so if you have multiple kids, that's nice. Shower, bath. A little bit of old linoleum there. I think it would need some updating, of course. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And here we go to the master. This will be bedroom number 4, which is quite large. Got your own private patio going back out there. Take a step down, kind of turn around here. You got the railing there, old style. One big long closet along with another second closet here. Bathroom with one sink, shower, and a toilet. Overall, it's a nice home. It's a nice area. It does need some updating, but it is definitely enough space. You could possibly even add maybe a second room with one of these living rooms or the dining room as well. So hope you enjoyed the video. You are close to Donlin Elementary School, close to the mall, close to Foothill. So I'll put more notes in the notes section of the video.